So guys, we'll play Teardown and we're gonna use we're in a new map, California house or map, and we have hungry slimes.
Yeah.
It's a new
Tool,
yeah. Yes, we're gonna first look at this car, like the Jeep, yeah.
Yeah.
Now
You can hungry slime.
Yes.
What it can do, show.
Yes, I am.
Wow, so quickly, huh?
Yeah.
It demolished the car.
Okay.
In the ground. Huh?
Yeah. It accidentally demolished the car. But look at it. Can it still drive? No. Now we're gonna use the pew pew.
I mean,
now, okay? Pew pew.
Okay. And vacuum through you have also.
Yeah. Vacuum. And I'm gonna just. Pew! And the little pieces.
For destroying.
Here, more. Car. Now it's dead. Some surfboards. We're gonna a little explore, okay? What's this?
Yeah, sure.
You can turn off the lights.
Oh, what is this?
Oh, you can close that.
Close the garage, huh?
We don't do doors here. We destroy doors here.
Oh no, let those hungry do the job, huh?
The hungry slimes?
Yeah.
But they're going to infect the house.
Oh,
from the floor you can go to the house, and that's going to be bad then, Oh, look! A pool! There's a fish on the pool.
A big fish there.
Why is there a goldfish in the pool? Pew! 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 Wanna go out the water? Yeah. Oh look, this table, big table. Go in the center. And then kapow! And now it's a 4 table. Look! 2 tables last! And now it's double table. What is here? What do you mean? Is this the kitchen? Is this the kitchen? I think, yeah. What is this? Some food?
Can you vacuum?
Vacuum? Okay,
So.
Vacuum cleaner. I don't know what it's going to do, but
yeah.
Maybe that's a bad idea,
It wants to vacuum everything.
What is that? That's a security camera?
Speed camera? Yeah, it stopped.
Is that the fan?
Yeah. That's fans, yeah.
Hungry slimes.
Do a job.
Eat. Hey, look how much damage they do. I can press K to get rid of them. That's good. Eat. Eating everything there. They are eating everything. Okay. Look, let's get rid of. Look how a big hole. You see how big this hole? Can we burn the house down?
First look.
What's inside it?
Which is
Okay. Okay. I'ma just, who needs a fan? Did? No, it's a dead fan. What is this?
It's
A couch?
fancy. Looks. Oh,
And I'm press Tab. Ah, a lot better. And now we're gonna just boop. And this, look at that, how it eats away that bookshelf. Mmm, a big ol'.
this is rather fancy house.
Yeah, it's fancy. Just gonna, let me in. This is a bedroom. This is knocked over. Because the vacuum knocked it over.
Oh,
I think, yeah.
probably. Oh, plant?
Look at this plant. It's pretty beautiful, yeah.
Yeah.
I just throwed it against that painting. Oopsie, I broke the wall with the plant somehow.
Hmm.
Wait, I just. Look, mommy, I'm playing the guitar. Mommy, I broke the guitar. Now it's in shambles. Guitar shambles. Look at that lights. Beautiful. It's still beautiful. Just throw it at the ceiling. That plant crumbled into little bits. Is this a bathroom? I already destroyed it with the vacuum.
Bathroom?
Is this a dead bush? Ew, I don't like dead bush.
There was a bathroom.
Was a bathroom. It's a... Yes. Now there is no sink in this bedroom. Where is the toilet? Why is there no toilet in this bathroom? Oh, is that the toilet?
Yeah.
So small.
Yeah.
I need to go to the toilet, you know. Oopsies, I farted in the toilet. I farted and I broke the toilet. And there's water coming out. Up, go through here. This is the bathroom.
Bathroom.
Bedroom. And I just,
Bed.
I'm taking this bed.
Wow. Somewhere's instruction.
Why? What is this? A dog table? What's that painting? That's not really a painting. They need to destroy it.
Honest.
Hello? Painting. Ah! I destroyed the painting. Hey, what are you doing? Spinning? Stop it. Stop it. Now I have to stop it.
Yeah.
I stopped it. Just take out the lights. This is how I turn off my lights in the living room.
Oh.
Easy turn off. I just walked in the bathroom again. Why? I don't know why. I'm just gonna... No antennas. Is this a chimney? Is this a chimney? Santa Claus is coming to the chimney. Santa Claus with a pistol. Santa Claus is coming down.
Fire.
Hello, kids. Santa Claus just want to shoot your place down. Shoot the lights out. Santa Claus is bad Santa Claus.
Can you explore what?
What is this lamp? Fruit lamp. Let's see what is in the fridge. Wait. What is in the fridge today?
Nothing.
A whole lot of nothingness. Who lives here? Like,
so we have people.
oh, but there's no happiness here, you see.
Is this the whole house?
This house has 2 chimneys.
Yeah.
How is Santa Claus going to split in half and go in each other's chimneys?
I don't know.
And I'm just...
Probably Santa doesn't go those children.
And I'm lighting up. Ooh, cozy. Cozy, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Warm your hands up. My house was going down. I don't know why. Ah, a little peaceful night at the fire. The burning fire. And there's a mess right here.
Yeah.
That is bad for the fire.
Uh-huh.
Extinguished, yeah. And that's big mess. Yes. There's a TV here. Can I turn it on?
TV.
No. Does it have my favorite YouTuber, Ginto's Gamer?
No.
No.
Means,
But it's what?
Means you have to
Smash it. With a little piece. This is a week. I need to go. There's no entrance to this house. I have to make an entrance. You know? Now there's an entrance to this house. What is in here? Cars. Cars. What is this? Mats? Crumble like a piece of cheese. Opening a door for you. But to open this door. Open this door, you know. Yes, now I open the door. Wait, yeah, now I open the door. Oh, I forgot there's open it. No problem. You know what I'm doing?
go away. Oh. To the pool, huh? Go to the
In the pool. The fishes in the pool is going to be... What is this crazy man doing?
Oh.
Drive more in the pool.
Beautiful destruction.
Let's see how much destruction is doing there.
But the roof. There is, huh?
The roof?
Yeah.
Yeah, what do we do? You. I'm destroying the roof now. A whole lot of pipe bombs into the house. Beautiful destruction. Did you burn the house down?
Maybe.
Okay. Burn the house down. That's already burning.
Oh.
We need more flames. Not enough flames in this house. Get out of this house. It's burning. You know, we did our best job.
Yeah, beautiful destruction that one. Huh?
Yeah, and now this is burning to ashes.
To the ground.
To ashes.
To ashes. Huh? Yeah.
Now, thanks for watching and bye. But like and subscribe. Yeah, bye.